Alrighty guys, we're going to give this a shot today with the camera on top. Since I've lowered the top plate, hopefully it's going to handle the weight of the camera a little better and fly a little straighter. So I'm going to give her a shot here to see how she goes. Try to just prop this camera up as well as run the FPV on the machine so I can try to catch them both if I can. Alright, here we go. See how this works. Alright, I'm not sure what was going on with it earlier when it wasn't working right. I took it apart, pulled all the wires apart, kind of remounted the board. Seems to be working a lot better now for whatever reason. No more jitters and acting stupid. Seems to be normal. It is snowing. First snow with this thing. Beautiful. Fixed. Well, basically what I did, if you're curious, to make it work again, I took my flight control board off and I moved my wires that were all smashed between the flight control board and the power distribution board out external instead of between the boards, and it made everything a lot looser. And I put a rubber band between the flight control and the nuts so that the nuts are have some kind of insulation under them to raise it up just a tad, and it worked. It flies perfect again. I thought that was a problem. Guess I'm smarter than I thought I was.